In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Capcut lagging on your iPhone. If you're experiencing delays or choppy performance while editing your videos, these steps will help you get back to a smooth and efficient editing experience. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, it's important to understand that having multiple apps open can really drain your phone's memory. So start by closing other applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and allows Capcut to perform better without the competition for memory. Next, let's clear the Capcut cache. This is a straightforward process. Simply open Capcut, navigate to the Me section, and head over to Settings. There you'll find an option to clear the cache, and voila, you've successfully eliminated any unnecessary data that could be slowing down the app. Now it's time for a quick but effective step: restart your iPhone. Doing this refreshes your phone's system resources, which can work wonders for your device's overall performance. Another crucial step is to ensure that your Capcut app is updated to the latest version. App updates often come with performance improvements and bug fixes. To update, visit your App Store and tap on your profile. Look for Capcut under Available Updates and update it if there's a new version available. Once your app is up to date, consider lowering your project settings while editing. Opt for a lower resolution or use simpler effects to reduce the load on your device. This might mean compromising a bit on quality during editing, but it will certainly enhance performance. It's also vital to ensure you have enough free storage space on your phone. Ideally, you should have at least 20% of your storage free. You can check this by going to your settings, then General, and finally iPhone storage. Here you can manage and free up space if needed. Lastly, if you're still experiencing lagging issues after trying all these steps, you might want to consider more in-depth solutions. Try reinstalling Capcut to ensure a fresh installation without any glitches. Additionally, check whether your device's software is up to date, as operating system updates often include performance enhancements that could resolve ongoing issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll optimize your device's performance and improve your experience with Capcut on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Happy